Hello. In this video, you will solidify your understanding of quadratic functions by finding the explicit function from a table or a pattern. There are 4 steps to accomplish this. Step number 1, we have to calculate the first and second differences. Now, if the first difference is equal, means this is a linear function, we stop. Or if we have a first ratio, meaning we have an exponential function, we also stop because we do not have a quadratic. Step 2, we will find A. Then, step 3, we will find C. And step 4, finally, we will find B. So here is the table. This is the form that we're trying to have. We will be looking for A, B, and C. So step 1, we will be finding the first difference. How do I go from 8 to 18? I need to add 10. How do I go from 18 to 32? I need to add 14. How do I go from 32 to 50? I need to add 18. And to go from 50 to 72, I need to add 22. Now, I also need to check on the other side. How do I move from 1 to 2? Add 1. On the left side, I'm always adding 1. Make sure that's the case. This right here is known as the first difference. Now, notice that none of the numbers are the same, and we're not multiplying. Therefore, let's look for a second difference. Second difference is you're looking the difference of the first difference. So how do I go from 10 to 14? That is by adding 4. From 14 to 18 is also by adding 4, and so on. So this is the second difference. This is step 1. Step 2, we're trying to find A. So we are looking at, take the second difference. The second difference is 4, and divide that by 2. That gives us 2, and this goes in for A. Here's the second difference. Which we put here and divide by 2. Next, we will be looking at finding C. In order to find C, you need to look at this number right here. Whenever you have a 0, what number are we missing on the Y column? Now we're going to have to go back. So if I have a number and the pattern keeps going, which number would I be adding to get to 8? If you look at the number that we're adding on the first difference, it increases by 4. So this would be plus 6. And the second difference would be plus 4. So a number that you add 6 to it and you get 8, that would be 2. C is equal to 2. Last step, step 4, we are looking for B. I will write this equation out first. Y equal, except I already know that A is 2, so I'll be putting 2x squared plus, I don't know B, I'm trying to find B, plus bx plus, and C is 2. Now we will pick one of the values. I'm going to pick this one right here. That's the easiest one. So y is equal to 8. I'm substituting 2. X is equal to 1. Plus b, we're trying to find. X is equal to 1 plus 2. This becomes 8 equals 1 squared is 1 times 2 is 2 plus b times 1 is b plus 2. I will continue here. On the left side I have 8. On the right side I have adding the 2, and the 2 gives me 4. And I also have plus b. Subtract 4 from both sides. Gives me b is equal to 4, which I will be putting here, and this concludes our problem.